Have you ever stopped to wonder what secrets our solar system holds? Imagine the countless enigmas and wonders hidden in the vast expanse of our cosmic neighborhood. 12 enigmatic orbs, our planets, each with its own unique character, story, and secrets waiting to be discovered. These celestial bodies, from the closest to the farthest, hold tales of the universe that are both fascinating and mind-boggling. So, fasten your seatbelts, stargazers. Join us as we take you on a journey through our solar system, exploring each of its 12 planets. First stop, Mercury, the smallest and swiftest planet in our solar system. Nestled close to the Sun, Mercury is just over a third of Earth's size, making it the tiniest planet in our neighborhood. But don't let its size fool you. This little globe zips around the Sun at breakneck speed, completing its orbit in a mere 88 Earth days. Now, hold on to your hats, because Mercury is a planet of extremes. With virtually no atmosphere to retain heat, during the day it can scorch at temperatures exceeding 800 degrees Fahrenheit. But come nightfall, the temperature plummets to minus 290 degrees. Talk about a drastic change. And here's a fun fact. Despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury harbors ice in its permanently shadowed craters, a stark contrast to its otherwise fiery nature. Mercury, a small yet fascinating world of extremes. Next, we venture to Venus, often called the morning star. This radiant beacon is the third smallest planet in our solar system, but don't let its size fool you. Venus outshines all other planets, and it's not just because of its proximity to the Sun. Its brightness is largely due to its thick, reflective atmosphere, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid. This toxic shroud acts as a mirror, reflecting sunlight and making Venus a brilliant spectacle in our sky. But don't pack your bags just yet. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures reaching a scorching 864 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than Mercury. And fascinatingly, Venus spins in the opposite direction to most other planets, a phenomenon known as retrograde rotation. It's a world of extremes, where a day lasts longer than a year. Venus, a beautiful yet inhospitable world. Moving on, we arrive at Earth, our home. This blue marble is the only known place in the universe to harbor life, making it unique among the celestial bodies. Its vibrant blue appearance from space is due to the reflection of sunlight off the vast oceans that cover approximately 70% of the planet's surface. The Earth spins on its axis, completing one full rotation every 24 hours, a phenomenon that gives us our familiar cycle of day and night. Simultaneously, it completes an orbit around the Sun every 365.25 days, which we know as a year. Earth's atmosphere, a protective blanket of gases, shields us from the Sun's intense heat and harmful ultraviolet radiation. It also helps to maintain a relatively stable and livable climate, allowing a wide variety of life forms to thrive. Earth, a unique oasis of life in the vastness of space. Now, let's journey to Mars, the red planet. This celestial neighbor of ours is often called the red planet due to its reddish appearance, a result of iron oxide or rust on its surface. But don't let its size fool you. Though only half the diameter of Earth, Mars is home to the largest volcano and the deepest, widest canyon in our solar system. The volcano, Olympus Mons, towers over the Martian surface at a staggering 13.5 miles high. That's nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. And the canyon, Valles Marineris, stretches over 2,500 miles, almost 10 times the length of the Grand Canyon. Despite its grandeur, Mars has a thin atmosphere, making it a harsh environment for potential life. Its thin air consists mostly of carbon dioxide, with traces of nitrogen and argon. Mars, a world of red mystery and future human exploration. Next, we find ourselves at Jupiter, the giant planet. Jupiter's size is so immense that it could swallow more than 1,000 Earths with room to spare. This colossal planet isn't just big, it's also powerful. Its magnetic field, the strongest of any planet in the solar system, extends millions of miles, creating a protective bubble known as a magnetosphere. Jupiter's realm extends even further, with a staggering 79 moons orbiting the planet. Its 4 largest moons, known as the Galilean moons, are worlds in their own right, each with unique features and landscapes. But Jupiter's most distinctive feature is its Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth that has been raging for at least 3 centuries. And despite its size, Jupiter spins incredibly fast, making a complete rotation in less than 10 hours, giving it the shortest day of any planet in the solar system. Jupiter, a gas giant filled with stormy mysteries. Moving on, we reach Saturn, the ringed beauty of our solar system. This 6th planet from the Sun is a gas giant, just like Jupiter, but it's the 2nd largest in our celestial neighborhood. What makes Saturn truly stand out, though, is its spectacular ring system. These rings are made up of countless pieces of ice, dust, and rock, all orbiting the planet in a breathtaking cosmic ballet. But Saturn has more to offer. It boasts an impressive collection of over 80 moons, including Titan, which is larger than the planet Mercury. Saturn's density is so light that if you could find a bathtub big enough, it would float on water. And let's not forget the planet's hexagonal storm at its North Pole, a 6-sided vortex that's been raging for at least several decades. Saturn, with its rings and moons, its lightness and storm, is more than just a planet. It's a testament to the beauty and diversity of our universe. Saturn, a stunning jewel of the solar system. Next up, Uranus, the planet that spins on its side. Yes, you heard that right. Unlike most planets that spin like a top, Uranus has a unique spin that makes it look like it's rolling around the Sun. This extreme tilt, almost 90 degrees off from its orbital plane, is what gives Uranus its sideways spin. Now let's talk about its size. Uranus is the 3rd largest planet in our solar system, dwarfed only by Jupiter and Saturn. Its impressive size is complemented by an enchanting blue-green color, a result of methane in its atmosphere absorbing red light. Uranus also has a retrograde rotation, meaning it spins in the opposite direction of most other planets. And let's not forget about its temperatures. Uranus takes the crown for the coldest planetary atmosphere in the solar system, with temperatures dropping as low as -370 degrees Fahrenheit. Uranus, a chilly and uniquely tilted world. Finally, we reach Neptune, the windy planet. Neptune is the 8th and farthest known planet from the Sun in our solar system. It is the 4th largest planet by diameter and the 3rd largest by mass. Neptune's strikingly dark blue color is a result of its methane-rich atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. But what really sets Neptune apart is its tempestuous weather. With winds that can reach up to 1,500 miles per hour, it's the windiest planet in our solar system. These extreme winds whip up massive storm systems, including the famed Great Dark Spot, a storm the size of Earth that mysteriously disappeared in the late 20th century. Neptune also has a notably long orbit, taking about 165 Earth years to complete a full trip around the Sun. Just imagine celebrating your first birthday on Neptune. Neptune, a distant, windy, and mysterious world. As our journey across the solar system concludes, we are left in awe of the diverse worlds that orbit our Sun. The swift Mercury, the smallest planet, yet with a day that lasts longer than its year. Venus, the morning star, shrouded in thick clouds, yet hotter than any other planet. Our home, Earth, the blue planet, teeming with life and natural beauty. Next, the red planet Mars, with its towering volcanoes and deep canyons, a testament to the geological forces at work. Jupiter, the giant planet, a gas behemoth with a storm that has been raging for centuries. And Saturn, the ringed planet, encircled by icy particles, reflecting sunlight and creating a spectacle like no other. Uranus, the sideways planet, spins on a unique tilt, presenting each of its poles to the Sun in turn. Neptune, the windy planet, with storms that whip around at speeds faster than the speed of sound. And let's not forget the dwarf planets, each with their own unique charm and mystery. Each of these worlds, from the smallest dwarf planet to the largest gas giant, holds its own unique place in our solar system. They are reminders of the immense diversity that exists in our little corner of the universe. Our solar system, a cosmic neighborhood filled with wonder, mystery, and endless possibilities for discovery.